Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign up for or create a Netflix account. So Netflix is a really wonderful app that helps you to get connected with a lot of TV shows, a lot of movies, documentaries, and any sort of audiovisual mediums. A lot of materials are posted on Netflix really quickly, and these are all very trendy. So if you want to join this bandwagon and get on with this, stick with me till the end of this video to figure out how you can sign up for the account. Always remember that although you have a Netflix app installed on your mobile device, you are not able to sign up to Netflix by using your Netflix app. So what you have to do is you have to go to your web browser, and then on your web browser go to www.netflix.com. When you go to netflix.com, you land on an interface that looks like this, where you will see an option that says email address here. So simply type in your email address. So here I'm just going to enter my email address and then tap on get started. After you tap on get started, it will ask you to finish setting up your account. So tap on next. And as you tap on next, you'll have to add a password. So I'm just going to add a certain password here. And then tap on next. After you tap on next, it says here that you'll have to choose your plan now. So tap on next again. And now here is the plan that is being set for yourself. So if you agree to this, you can simply tap on it. You can either choose mobile, basic, standard, or premium. I'm just going to tap on premium and then tap on next. After doing this, you'll have to now set up your payment. So I'm just going to use credit or debit card. And after doing that, you'll have to enter your first name, last name, card number, the expiration date, the security code, and then tap on I agree and then tap on start membership. As soon as you complete all of this and then tap on start membership, your Netflix account will have been created. So this is basically how you can sign up for your Netflix account. It's a very simple process, and I hope that with the help of this video, you have been able to create your own account. If you did that, do let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like the video, share, and also subscribe to App Guide. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.